to another evening in the Planet Plant-Based Summer Kitchen. We are going to make pasta today using our chickpea turmeric fusilli. That's going to go in a sauce of roasted zucchini. Zucchini that we roast together with some thyme, garlic, olive oil and a little bit of balsamico cream. And then we're going to blend that zucchini when it's roasted together with some pasta water, a little bit, and a couple of tablespoons of our cashew butter, and that will make it super creamy and so yummy. If you ask me, I think this is a comfort food at its absolute best. So let's get started.